reason of doing that. We're taking in our next caller. Fine, Ricky. You want to join? And this isn't about views. This is about the Christianity Hotline.
I said invite someone, okay?
But
Invite.
this is about Christianity.
You can't do it, can you?
I can't.
You can't?
I can.
Okay, then do it.
Okay.
Do you want content or not? I'm trying to give you content.
This isn't content. This isn't about that. This
So,
isn't about content.
why are you acting emotional, bro?
Why am I acting emotional? Because I lost my dog today.
You lost your dog?
Yes.
And a dog was it?
A pit bull lab.
You think it went to heaven?
I think so.
I don't think so. It's a pit bull, dude. They go to hell.
No, they don't. My dog didn't go to hell.
All pit bulls are fucking bad, dude.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
My dog was a good dog.
Bullshit if you have anger like
my
that.
dog was a good dog.
Your dog was not a good dog,
I
bro.
said my dog was not a good dog.
Dude, what the fuck is your problem? Like, we not even fighting right now. And you're throwing chairs around, dude.
You know what? Ricky thinks this is all fun and games. Hello. Hello.
I wonder why Chris is in Christianity.
What'd you just say?
Why do you look like Chris Griffin?
I don't look like Chris Griffin. I look like Bill Jensen.
To be honest, you really do look like Chris Griffin.
I don't look like Chris Griffin. I am Bill Jensen.
I'm pretty sure
okay?
you do. That's right.
I said I'm not Chris Griffin. Get out. All you got to do is say something wrong, and then I got to unadd you. Get out. Next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the Christianity Hotline. How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing good. I just came from church. I'm doing good.
Really? And how was church?
It was actually good. I preached
How was church
today? It was good. I preached today.
That's good. That's good. I lost my dog today, so I'm just trying to go through the day, and everything should be good, right? So.
Yes, I pray for you. I'll pray for you.
Thank you.
So, how's your dog? Is it good? Are you good?
Nah, she's dead. She got put down.
I'm sorry. Well, I'm sorry.
Thank you. Why'd she unadd me? Bill, add Francie. What do you mean Francie's not in here? I do not see Francie. Next caller. If y'all are new to the Christianity Hotline and you're not following it, then maybe that's the only way I'm going to be able to add you. Ricky only said that I was here for the views, which I'm not. Hello.
Okay. So how are all right, so I have two questions right off the bat, all right?
What are your two questions?
All right, so the first question is how do Christians feel about the gays?
It's a sin.
It's a sin?
It's a
sin?
It's a sin in Christianity, but I can't, force people to do what they choose.
All right. Also, another question. So
I
this,
on here, and
huh?
they want to be converted as long as they're not sinning. And that's all that matters. Baby 7 a.m. I'm not going to add you because you told little Huddy to unfollow me. And now he's with you all the time, and now he forgot about Christianity and Chuck E. Cheese. Chase Hudson forgot about me. Bill Jensen. I can't. All he did was say, hello, Bill. Hi. Hi from the other side. Hi, bye. I can't. Unless little Huddy comes back to Christianity, I just think stop spamming. There's a bunch of people spamming numbers and stuff. Please stop. Hello, what's your name?
Hey,
What's your
Bill. Hi. I'm Shaylo. How are you?
Welcome to the Christianity Hotline. How are you doing tonight?
I'm good. I'm sorry about your dog, man.
Thank you. I appreciate you concerning for me and my dog. What brings you on to the Christianity Hotline tonight?
Ricky.
Oh, well, if you're here for Ricky, then you're not here for Christianity. Then why are you here? If you're here for Ricky and not Christianity, why are you here? If you are a sinner, please go. But if you are trying to become a Christian and become the one and only true religion, then you can stay and say, "Guess me, Bill, I need help." I'm trying to guess people. Why y'all declining? Hello. 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 Why are you not talking? Hello? Hello? Okay, we're going to go take in our next caller, I guess. That was a little weird.
Hey, Bill.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Jordan.
Welcome to the Christianity Hotline, Jordan. How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you?
I'm doing okay. Baby 7 a.m. Isn't that guy that looks like that Marcus Allen dude? Kind of looks like his brother. I
Probably.
think that's what you're talking about. But anyways, would you like to be converted?
Yes, please.
What I need you to do is close your eyes, fold your
All right.
hands. All right? Okay. Dear God,
Dear God,
I have finally come to the conclusion
I've been finally come to the conclusion
that I want to become the one and only true religion.
that I want to become the only true religion.
I am now a fellow Christian.
I'm now a fellow nigger. I'm not lying.
That
That's
is
my fucking
racist.
shit.
Get out. Get out. No, get out. What's moldy dookie water? What's an animal? Let's talk about it. Moldy, let's talk about the animal. You said, now where'd the comment go? I don't know what the word means. It says animal. Joe Dunn, you want God? Then here you are. Stop writing that word. Hello.
Hey, yo, do you remember me, Bill? I
Um,
was the guy that did the bad marijuana stuff.
Why are you back here?
Because I want forgiveness. I want forgiveness. I came for forgiveness.
Because you did the devil's ladies?
Yes, and I'm asking for forgiveness. I've thought about it, and you know what?
You think that you can get forgiveness for sinning that much?
Yeah, why not? Jesus died on the cross for us.
I bet you still have that devil's lettuce in that room of yours.
No, I do not. I
Then
swear I
let's
do not.
take a nice tour through your room.
Here. Here's my dog.
Okay, a nice dog.
Mhm.
And what else?
You want? Oh, I got a Bible. Picked one up the other day.
Let me see.
My favorite Bible verse is John 3:16. You familiar with it?
Yeah, it seems like you have some fangirls in here. They're saying you're hot.
Fangirls.
Yeah. It's my reason of doing that. I knew it! When you sin, you look good, don't you?
Devil's
Get out!
The devil's lettuce.
I've never done the devil's lettuce, and I don't look any good like that. It's not fair. Not fair! Still 304-pound bill. Oh, bitch. Can't get a Christian girlfriend. How else are my mom and dad gonna go and meet me? Once I find a woman, then I can finally see my parents again. But it's not gonna happen, is it? It won't. Okay, we're gonna take in our next caller. We're gonna call in Baby 7 a.m. You get Chase to go on a Chuck E. Cheese date with me, and then we'll make that happen. Because he forgot about me. All your friends, your Christian, your sinner friends. They forgot about me ever since I took a break from social media. It's very disappointing. They used to join my hotline all the time, not only to get help, but whatever other things they wanted. Viewers, numbers, that's what all they done. And then they left. They left when I needed them the most. I see you. I love Roku City. I'm calling you in right now. Hello. What's going on with that face? Why are you laughing like that?
I like bullets.
Are you okay? What's wrong with you?
She's demon possessed.
No! No, you got. Do you have duct tape?
I can't.
Yes, you can. Do you have duct tape?
I'm the one who killed
Get the duct tape! Get the duct tape!
I can't help it.
You need to get the duct tape right now! Stop!
Your dog went to hell.
Get out! Donald Duck. I miss you, Donald. I love you, and I miss you so much.
I love you too, Bill. That was what you want to said.
Of course. Is Mickey and Goofy with you?
No, I know, but that was what you want to said.
Okay, Donald, I understand what you mean. You want to be converted again?
Yeah.
Okay. What I need you to do is close your eyes, fold your hands, and repeat after me, Donald.
Okay.
All right. Dear God,
Yeah.
I have finally come to the conclusion
What?
Donald, I want to ask you a question. I want to ask you a question, Donald.
What?
I've seen how you treat your wife, Daisy. You don't treat her right.
What
You don't
video?
treat a Christian-friendly woman on how to actually be a good boyfriend or a husband.
What?
So here's what I'm going to do.
What?
I think that Daisy would be good with me, marrying me and having my future kids.
When did you see that?
Because you're a sinner, Donald, and I just don't think.
Bill,
Donald, listen up.
Okay.
You sin because you don't treat Daisy right. So I'm going to give you. Stop! Donald, let me speak!
Okay.
Thank you. You don't treat Daisy right. Daisy needs a Christian friend.
It's a Ruby Bill. I'm so sorry.
Okay, I can convert you. I can do that.
I was young. All right.
When I need you. All right, you ready, Donald?
Yes.
Okay. Dear God,
Yeah.
I have finally come to the conclusion that I want to become the one and only true religion. I am now a fellow Christian. Amen. Congratulations, Donald. You're now an official Christian. How do you feel? Donald, how do you feel? You're now an official Christian. Donald? Donald? Donald! We're taking in our next caller. Why did you decline me? I don't know what anal is. Zariah.
Hey,
Hello.
sorry for feeling a bit tired. It's like,
Why are you tired, caller?
it's
You didn't get some rest last night?
I'm in the UK.
Oh, yeah, it's a different time zone. I understand. What brings you on to the Christianity Hotline?
I've been watching a lot of your Instagram lives, and it looks like you've been going through a lot of stress.
A lot recently, just because I returned to social media about a month ago, and I'm very unused to doing what I've been doing for such a long time. So, yes, it's very, very uncomfortable.
Yeah, I think you need a bit
I
more
feel a lot
medication.
more nervous each time I go live because I forget the amount of pressure I took converting people,
Yeah. I was once a Christian.
Why aren't you a Christian anymore?
Made me depressed.
You don't have to be depressed. You can find yourself back to the light again. You know that. You can. All right, we're going to call in Kyle Miefler into the Christianity Hotline. Bandit, what are you talking about? You can't anymore. Hello? Is it just my internet or is everything broken? Hey, what's on your face?
Here, I'll leave and rejoin.
What is that? Bill, are you from Texas? Yes, I am. Hello.
Hello, Bill.
Hello. Welcome
How are
to
you
the
today?
Christian Hotline. How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing good.
You're doing
Other
good?
than my mom just whooped me.
What did your mom want?
My mom just beat me because I told
Wait
her
a minute,
to
your
stop.
mom beat you? Why would she do that? Wow, no, let me talk to your mom. Your mom beat you?
My mom died.
I'm so sorry for your loss. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I have a minute and 57 seconds left. Oh no. No! I've already been live for an hour? Oh no. Okay, I'm live on YouTube, everybody. Y'all have been requesting me to play this game called Friday Night Funkin'. I'm playing it right now on YouTube. Why do we not have enough time? I can't believe we've been live for about a minute, an hour. Bandit, join in real quick. I'm almost at the 60-minute mark. I'm almost at the 60-minute mark. You have a minute. Hey, we have about a minute. Hello? Internet! All right, I'm live on YouTube right now. If you want to become a Christian and join my Discord, look up Bill Jensen on YouTube on the search so you can find me. What's your YouTube channel, The Golden Child? It's Bill Jensen. You'll see my face. Anyways, thank y'all so much for calling into the Christianity Hotline. I'll be live on YouTube to convert you. God bless everybody. It's going to be my story.